Good morning. It's April 16, 2025, and it's about 11:20 a.m. And I just wanted to get a video just showing how the current state of the front yard cat enclosure. And I happen to have one cat with me right now, which is Minerva. Hello, Minerva. Hi, Minerva. So I've got, one of these shade umbrellas out here, and I can put it up pretty easily, which I just did. And that's why I'm actually sitting in the shade right now. And pretty amazingly, the fig tree is sprouting a lot of figs and leaves. It's amazing. You guys look at this. Anyway, I mainly wanted just to document how I pretty much finished this barrier at the very top around the whole thing, as trying to make it resistant to Minerva escaping because she actually can climb that fence, although chances that she would go over would be pretty slim. Nevertheless, I still want to be prepared for that. Anyway, so just sort of going around the whole thing so you can see. I used a bunch of those carabiners to fasten these pieces up there. Oh, there's Minerva again. Hey, Minerva. Hey, Minerva. Hey, Minerva. Hey, Minerva. So I'm pretty confident that she would not be able to escape now, but never say never with Minerva. Okay, that's it for now.